Coming up in today's School Zone.
You are all here because you have been chosen by your principal as being the most disciplined class at your school.
Plus,
Hello and welcome to In the Zone News.
When he was a cool young one, I worked in the colony, paid my...
It's a brown girl in the rain, cha-la-la-la-la. She looks like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mrs. Rice.
Ah, beautiful to have you here at Home Garden and Farm.
we're in the hills of cool Manchester, looking at a program that's rewarding fine conduct and discipline in schools using nature.
Here on the outdoors, looking on the beautiful landscape and landforms. What are landforms?
Landforms are the shapes or surfaces of the land.
With the confines of wood or concrete walled classrooms replaced by the open expanse of sky, trees, and nature's other little delights, these youngsters are enjoying a new learning experience.
Grab a book, something.
Pam's pet is a cat named Cindy. She has a long fluffy tail. It looks like a powder puff. She licks it every day to keep it clean.
It's an experience that pairs regular lessons with the teaching of positive values and nature excursions.
I remember what we say this is?
Cassava.
Right, it's cassava. And how many types of cassava are there?
Two.
Two types, namely?
Sweet.
Sweet and bitter.
It's the brainchild of the owners and operators of the Home Garden and Farm Nature Park.
We selected 18 schools between Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and Westmoreland. When they came here to the park, we had the welcome. We had them do an outdoor class session, which is away from their classroom. And this was done under observation, and they were graded according to certain criteria, measures, some of which are whispering in class inappropriately, fighting in class, unattentive during class session, among other criteria. What they knew about was the fact that they were going to be observed in the class, but they were not aware that they were also going to be observed for the rest of the day.
Schools that score the highest are awarded with trophies and other prizes.
We are so elated, and it's all about discipline, and it shows that discipline and hard work can truly reap success.
The Ministry of Education is on board.
Because it would have impacted our students in schools and especially in the area of discipline.
I want to find out from you, Rajni, what is it that you like so much about learning in this kind of environment?
Miss, it is fun, miss.
What makes it fun?
Miss, they do hard working.
What about you, Nordia? What do you like about this environment?
I think it helps you to express natural feelings and the environment and how you express yourself to be free around this type of environment.
They're not the only ones with high praises for the program.
I think it's a very good program to get involved in because we all have students who are disruptive, who are not well behaved, but honestly, when our students heard that there was a competition promoting discipline, everybody wanted to be the winner, right? Because we know everybody wants to win. So we observed better behavior from the students. Some of them things that they used to do normally, they sort of cut down on it. It's not 100%, but improvement has been seen.
I learned discipline and to behave properly.
Practice good behavior and you'll reap good success.
It's a problem-free philosophy.
Hello and welcome to In the Zone News. I am Rizka Gibbon. Recently, many students helped to clean up their schools. It was planned by the Ministry of Education to destroy the mosquitoes that spread Zika Let's hear from one student.
It's very important because we need to get away all the containers that hold water in it so that we can prevent the Zika mosquitoes from laying their eggs in the ponds or water, stuff like that, so that we can prevent ourselves from getting sick.
That's right, students. Prevent Zika. Keep your environment clean. And remember,
practice good behavior and you'll reap good success.